In recent years, with the development of China's soil, natural gas, chemicals, and other industrial fields, the working performance and the technical requirements of the equipment are more and more strained. In the production process of the seamless steel pipe, if we want to improve the smelt and quality of stainless steel, we need to operate the production equipment carefully, according to the precise process flow, and reduce the error rate. Seamless steel pipes have hollow section and are widely used as pipeline for transporting fluids, such as a pipeline for transporting oil, natural gas, water, and certain solid materials. Compared with a solid steel, such as a round steel, the steel pipe is lighter in weight when the bending and the torsional strain is the same, and it's an economical section steel. It is widely used in the manufacture of the structural parts and mechanical parts, such as oil drill pipes, automobile transmission shafts, bicycle frames, and steel scaffolding used in construction. The use of the steel pipes to make ring parts can improve material utilization, simplify the manufacturing process. Same materials and processing man-hours have been widely used to manufacture steel pipes. The production process of a general seamless steel pipes can be divided into two types: cold rolling and hot rolling. The production process of cold rolled seamless steel pipes is generally more complicated than that of hot rolling. In the sizing test, the surface does not respond to cracks. The round tube will be cut by a cutting machine and cut into a billet with a length of about 1 meter. Then enter the annealing process. Annealing should be pickled with acidic blistering on the surface during pickling. If there is a lot of blistering, it means that the quality of the steel pipe does not meet the corresponding standard. In appearance, the cold rolled seamless steel pipe is shorter than the hot rolled seamless steel pipe. The wall thickness of the cold rolled seamless steel pipe is generally smaller than that the hot seamless steel pipe, but the surface looks bigger than the thick walled seamless steel pipe, and the surface is not too much rough, and the caliber does have too many burrs. primary state of the hot-rolled seamless steel pipe is generally that a hot-rolled steel is delivered after heat treatment. After the quality inspection, the hot-rolled seamless steel pipe must be strictly hand-selected by the staff. After the quality inspection, the surface should be oiled, followed by the several cold drawing experiments, and a perforation experiment should be carried out after the hot rolling treatment. If the diameter of the perforation is too large, it should be straightened and corrected. After straightening, it is transferred to the flow detector by the conveyor for flow detection experiment, and finally labeled and arranged in specification and then placed into the warehouse. The magnetic flux leakage testing is a non-destructive testing technology based on a ferromagnetic material magnetic changes. When the ferromagnetic material is magnetized and generates a leaking magnetic field due to the presence of the defects of the workpiece surface, and therefore through the detection of the magnetic flux leakage can be found in the defects in the large caliber seamless thermal expansion material. If there are cracks and bubbles inside the steel pipe, they will be detected immediately. Tracking the believed and the treated ends of the pipe is an important step in forming seamless steel pipes for the oil and gas industry. The treats are carefully calculated by engineers to achieve the highest accuracy. Quality inspection also needs to select the process by hand. After passing the paint spray brush, number and specification, etc., and then put into the storage.